This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Shuler. Stunning cabin within 5 minutes to downtown Blue Ridge. This would make an amazing rental. 4 bedroom / 3.5 bath located on 3.06 acres. Home features beautiful wood interior, open floor plan, vaulted ceilings and full finished terrace level. Owner's ensuite features jetted tub and separate shower. Wide open decking overlooks wonderful views and gentle laying yard. This one will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Shuler at 828-361-2074.